Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cars Passion. My name is Sebastian. In this video I would like to share 3 benefits of engine splash shield, also called as skid plate or engine lower cover. It's a part located under the car, probably made from plastic or metal, that protects the car underneath with possible blows, hits or small road objects, and also from penetration of dust or impurity. We take the vehicle to many places like dust, mud, snow, water, etc., etc. So it is very important to take into account the possible risk about getting the vehicle damaged underneath if we have not put the shield. So here are the 3 benefits of engine splash shield. So the first benefit is it protects the car engine from possible hits, blows or potential dangerous road objects. Everyone knows the importance of engine, which is protected by a hood at the top. At the side it is protected and reinforced by the car body. Likewise, the bottom of the car need to be protected because it is exposed to a lot of dust, lot of hits, objects, road objects, hence it need to be protected by the shield. Second benefit is it protects the car part from dust and rust. Dust can be very harmful for some parts, especially engine and transmission, and it loses its efficiency because of dust and impurities. Also, where the dust enters, water can make its room, and hence rust and corrosion. So thus, to safeguard the same, shield plays a major role. Third benefit is it is very easy to maintain and change. The option for the shield are either made of plastic or metal, so you need to choose the right shield depending on the model. And also, if you are choosing the metal or plastic shield, it has its own advantage and disadvantages, which you need to figure it out. And lastly, installing a shield is not a big hassle. It is a simple process. You need to use some screw and the problem is solved. I hope you got some information from this video. If yes, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.